Hi, it's Jenna, the Kick-Ass Website Coach, and this is just a continuation of the last video where I'm showing you how to manage ads in the sidebar of Resolution WordPress theme. It's a paid theme, paid premium theme. Okay, what we just did is we resized manually a new graphic that we're going to use for an ad, and we also linked it to an outside page. So you would use this in the same manner as these have been used, which is these are ads for different businesses that want to have an ad placed on the side of this particular client website. And so let me point out a couple of more things. Okay, so if we go back to the HTML option, this first section is that first one that says hello, or that shows Hello Kitty. Then if you come up here, you can see where it says href equals, and then it shows the URL that we plugged in manually by using the link icon. If you come down here to the second section between the two P's, it's the same thing. Right here where it says href equals, and then it takes us to So Danish's Etsy shop. And actually it takes us to her profile on her Etsy shop. So anyway, and then it will show you also the image, img src equals, and then it's that's the actual URL of the photo, and we have that one is actually stored on Image Shack. So anyway, you can come in, like I showed you on the last one, and manually edit the sizes. Now you can see these other ones are edited to be 110 by 110. So I made that last one 100, so we're going to change that just by clicking right there. Oops. I'm making them 110 by 110, and we're going to just save that draft. So the next thing that we want to do is we want to actually take our new one, our new thing, our new set of graphics, and put them into that sidebar again using the widget. So what we're going to do is once we've got our images laid out the way we want them, they're all sitting over here to the side because they are not, because you may have to play around with your alignment. If you center them, they will not lay out evenly right next to each other. They won't line up neatly that way. So you may have to play with that a little bit to find what works best in your sidebar. Anyway, so what you do is you come over to the HTML when you have your graphic linked to the right place and made it the right size. You copy all of that code, and then we're going to go back to Appearances and then Widgets, and let's just go ahead and make a brand new one just so that you can see how you do it. You have to come down into the new widget area. These are widgets that are not being used, and you have as many text widget areas as you want. And basically, I'm just left clicking with my mouse right on top of the text bar and dragging it into my sidebar, and then when you put it in there, when you let go, it opens up. All you're going to do is put in, by pasting, that code that we just used. Okay? Now you can give it a title. You can see up here on that one that we made before, it says Featured Members, because that's what we're doing here. Depending on how you have your ads laid out, you might want to click on Automatically Add Paragraphs or not. You may need to just play with that and see what the alignment looks like. We'll call this Test Ads, and then you just click Save. Okay, so one more thing I want to share is you can also, within each sidebar area, you can move around your widgets. So if we want to have the test ad up here above our search bar, we can do that. Again, I'm just left clicking and dragging and dropping. So that should be saved, and we can go take a look at our front page. Okay, again, it doesn't show on the front